A nation reveals itself, not only by the men it produces, but also by the men it honors, the men it remembers. What a veteran means to me is a very brave, important person who protects their community. I'm really thankful and really appreciate these veterans who are here today and forever. Thank you so much.
Dear veteran, thank you for your service to our country. I think you are brave. I think you are a hero and are strong. You gave me my freedom that I have today and forever. I give you my respect. You are a courageous hero to the United States of America.
Thank you for your service to our country. You are the bravest person I know, and you have taken your time and fought for the USA. I thank you for the dedication you've done for my protection. Thank you for our freedom.
Dear veterans, thank you for your service. You were very brave to do something like that. We all respect what you've done. You helped a nation of people, and we honor you for that.
Veterans Day is about the men who have served our country, and we just want to thank them. Why I'm thankful for that is they give us freedom and they protect our country from whatever threats come our way. So I just want to thank all veterans for serving in any branch of the military.
Thank you guys so much for serving our country, and you fought so hard, and you guys just mean a lot to me. Thank you for serving.
Dear veterans, thank you for all of your service. I don't know what we would do without you. Thank you.
I am thankful for veterans because they make our world so great. They are brave, kind, smart, and loving. I can't imagine what our world would be like without them. They are so brave. I thank you guys and girls so much. P.S. Thank you so much, guys and girls.
Dear veteran, thank you for protecting our country and sacrificing your lives for our freedom. I would reward all of you for saving us. And if someday I came with you guys and served for the nation, I would be so glad to be with you saving America.
Thank you for all that you do, and thank you for keeping us safe.
A veteran to me is someone who is a hero and fights for our country. They risk their life for us. Thank you for saving our lives. Happy Veterans Day.
I just want to say thank you to all the veterans that have risked their lives and helped keep our country safe.
I think veterans are important because they protected our country. Veterans are important because they fought for our rights and freedom. I think it was pretty brave to fight for our country. Thank you for risking your lives for ours. It was very brave of you. We love you very much. I just thought we could take this time to say thank you.
Dear veterans, first of all, I want to thank you for fighting for our country. Thank you for all of your hard work. I want to thank you for sacrificing for our freedom. You are a very fearless person, and I am happy that you accepted your responsibility to go and fight and put your life on the line when you had to leave your family and go fight for our lives. Sincerely, Allie Jones.
A veteran to me is someone who is a hero and fights for our country. They risk their lives for us. Thank you for saving our lives. Happy Veterans Day.
Thank you for protecting us. Thank you. Thank you for keeping us safe. Thank you, veterans. Go. Thank you for risking your lives to save our lives.
A veteran is a person that takes a risk for their life. A veteran is a person in the armed forces. A veteran is a person that makes our country better. Thank you, veterans.
Veterans, for what you have done. I think everyone in the school has been grateful. Thank you.
Dear veteran, you did a great job serving our country. Your loyalty and bravery made a difference in the country you and I live in today. You may think I am only one man. The military could do without me. I say maybe you saved someone's life. That makes a difference in his or her family. Maybe you succeeded in capturing the enemy flag. Even if you didn't do these, you made a difference.
What a veteran means to me is that somebody that helps and protects our community and our nation. Our nation is very, very important to me, and the veterans help with that. So, thank you.
Thank you for saving our country. When I get better, I really want to be in the military like you.
Thank you for your service, veterans. I am so thankful for all that you have done or all that you do. And you helped our country, very much, and we could not do everything we have done without you. Thank you. I'm telling you what a veteran and a first responder means to me. So first, a veteran means an important person that helps protect the country, and a first responder helping everybody get to safety and helping everybody.
With American pride.
Dear veterans, thank you for serving and keeping our nation safe from the threat to our freedom. Thank you. Thank you. You are helpful, willing, strong, fearless, early bird. Thank you, U.S. Army Strong. Can't say it enough. Thank you. To all the forces, dedication, honor, thank you. U.S. Army Strong.
Thank you, veterans, for what you do. Thank you for your service.